In this video, we are going to perform some navigation operation on page 1 and page 2. So for that, we need to create another Dart file. So I have created other page.dart file. In this, we need to import package material.dart package, and then we need to create a stateless widget. So st, and let's provide a class name as op. So where it says return new container, we are going to create a scaffold that will consist of body and app bar, and we will provide a title in app bar, text, and let's say app bar for right now. And in body, we are going to create a text that will be aligned in center. So new center. In this, we will add a text, and for right now, we'll say text. Now in this class, we will create a final string, and we will name a variable as mtext mtext, sorry, and we are going to create an constructor, and in this constructor we will say this dot mtext, and we'll copy this mtext and paste in appa and text as well. Now in main.dart file, we need to import the another file, so we will say import other page.dart, and where it says page 1 and page 2, we are going to perform on tap operation. So we will say on tap new, it takes a function, sorry, so we will provide a function. Now this arrow is called as inline function, and it is also called as fat arrow. So in this we will say navigator dot of context dot push new material page route. Now this builder also takes a function, so we will give an inline function, and we will say new op constructor, and in this we will provide a value is page 1, and this builder function we need to provide a build context. Now we will copy this on tab and paste in page 2. We will change it to page 2. Now if we restart our app, we will be able to perform navigation operation on page 1 and page 2. So if we press on page 1, it will show us an app bar and a text with page 1, and if we press on page 2, same as well. So this is how you create routing